I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials, then take the first monitoring steps now. Make sure your Apple Watch model supports HR and SpO2 sensing, and update Watch OS and iPhone iOS. Open Health and enable sleep, set a realistic bedtime window, and wear the watch snugly. Too loose reduces signal quality. Once done, allow apps to read sleep and respiratory data. If you'll use a specialized app for apnea screening, install it and permit health access so continuous overnight metrics record correctly. Now focus on collecting quality overnight data and why it matters. Enable background heart rate and blood oxygen measurements on the watch, and confirm sleep mode will silence disturbances. This improves signal continuity. Use airplane mode if you want to reduce RF noise, but keep Bluetooth for any bedside sensors. Also avoid caffeine and heavy meals 2 to 3 hours before bed because they change breathing patterns. Once done, perform a calibration night by repeating the same routine. Then review the health app's nightly summaries to spot irregular SpO2 dips and heart rate pauses. Finish by analyzing trends and taking decisive next steps. Look at multiple nights, 7 to 14, to detect repeated SpO2 drops, sudden heart rate pauses, or fragmented sleep patterns that suggest apnea. Single nights can mislead. If readings are noisy, make sure the strap fits snugly, clean sensors with a lint-free cloth, update software, and restart or reset the watch if needed. Finally, if patterns persist, export the health data and share it with a sleep clinician. This supports diagnosis and clarifies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.